Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mute stories on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mute stories on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app. You'll not be able to mute all of the stories on Instagram, guys. You will be only able to mute the stories from somebody or particularly a person whom you don't like or from whom you don't want to see. So in order to do that, or in order to mute stories, either you can do it from the direct stories up here. You can see all of the stories at the top of the screen. Tap on a story and hold it for a moment, and this option will appear and you'll be able to mute that person by tapping on mute over here on the second button. Or you can just go to their profile or a specific profile of anybody, and you can see the following option available for us. Tap on that following option and the mute option will be available for you. Tap on the mute option and you will be able to mute their stories. When you tap on the stories toggle icon, you can see the toggle icon for the stories have been turned on, which means that their stories will be muted. And there guys, this is how you mute stories on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.